Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Nari. If you guys don't know, probably not, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own lash extensions at home for very cheap, and it's really easy. It usually takes me about 45 minutes to an hour to do both eyes. It's not that hard. It just takes practice and time. Obviously, I've been doing this for a really long time, so I've gotten pretty good at it. If you have trouble at first, just keep practicing. You're gonna get it eventually. Some tips that I want to give you guys before the video starts is to don't wash your lashes after you done them for at least 24 hours or get any type of water on them or liquid. Wash your face or clean your face or your makeup with the makeup remover. Don't ever just rub your eyes or anything like that, because that's gonna make them go crazy. Use a soap or use a cleanser without any oil in it, just because the oil obviously loosens the glue. Don't sleep on your face. Don't go in the sauna. What else? Pretty much, yeah, it's just pretty much the obvious, like the common sense to what not to do and what to do. Like I said, it usually lasts me around 2 to 4 weeks. I don't know if I already said that, but it just depends on how well you take care of them. I take care of mine pretty good, and they last me a really good amount of time. I could have done them more dramatic, but I just kind of wanted to take it light today, so I did them kind of natural. I mean, natural to me at least, because I know this is not natural for everybody, but yeah, so that's just pretty much it. There's not much to it. I love this technique just because, I get to do it myself, and I don't have to, go in every 2 weeks, pay like $100 to have somebody do them for me. I've actually never gotten my lashes done before, and I do lashes on people, so it's kind of funny. But anyways, that's pretty much all I wanted to tell you guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'll be coming out with more stuff very soon, so stay tuned, and I'm really excited, you guys. Thank you. Alright guys, so I have my glue in this little homemade ring that I made. I know it's like hella ratchet. Okay, so the reason I have my glue in this ring is because it has a lot to do with humidity and stuff, the way that the glue sticks to your lash. So it being encapsulated in a small area, it helps the glue keep its consistency the way that I wanted to keep it at. So that's why I put it in this ring. So I'm really just gonna apply it where I have a sparse area. Way better, you guys. So this shit really burns. Okay, so I'm gonna just take more, and it's gonna be like a little tiny fan. Make sure you know where you're gonna put it before you place it. I think I'm gonna place it right there. Okay. Every time I put one on, I'll push my eye up like this, because if I close my eye normally, my lashes will stick together with the glue. So I'll just close it for a bit, just open. So that's how I do it. That's how I prevent the burn to not burn as much, but this really does burn, so don't be surprised when you're crying, because it fucking burns. So I'm gonna just keep doing that through the rest of my eye, and every time I place one, I'm just gonna brush it out really fast. This one looks a little crazy, you guys. Really be careful where you exactly put these lashes, because if you just put them everywhere and are a little wild with it, they're gonna look really crazy. So just make sure that you take your time and you place them exactly where you want them to be. Make sure, you guys, this is really important, that you place them going the direction of your lashes. Don't just put them on like this. No. So if your lash is pointing this way, I know you're not going to get it exactly on the lash, but at least try to point it that direction so it can at least fall natural thing. Because if you don't do that, like, your lashes are going to look crazy. So, keep doing that. And so it can look really full. I like to really know exactly where I'm putting this. So I'm just going to scope out the area first. Okay, so that looks like, I'll put it right there. Don't leave your eye open because it really will keep burning. And if they're acting up, just what I do, I'll just go in and separate them with my tweezers. I'll like literally pull them apart because if they stick together, see, like, this is like really good lighting and you guys like can see how nice they look. Bitch, it looks good. I'm trying. So I don't know if you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, but literally, you guys, I'm just taking around two to three lashes, sticking them together. I'll show you guys what I mean by that, and I'll like insert a clip of me doing that, and just placing them on wherever I feel like I need more thickness, basically. Hey guys, so this is me showing you guys up close what I'm doing. I'm basically just gonna use my regular tweezers, and I'm just going to grab the lashes in a bunch like this. There we go. So grab the lashes in a bunch like this, if you see that. Can you guys see that? Sorry. And then I'm gonna dip the very end like so. And just, they'll naturally just come together like a fan like this. If you see, I kind of just pushed them together on the glue tray. And that's how they stuck together. So that's how you make a volume fan. It's not that hard, and this is how you're going to make your lashes look really voluminous. So, and these are the lashes that I'm using. These are volume mink, I believe, and they're 17, so they're really long and dramatic, and that's what I like. So if you like that, just get it for sure, get 17. So I'm going to just keep doing that. And also in the inner corners, I'm going to use like 14s, I think, or 13s, something shorter. When you start doing your full set, when you apply them, make sure that you're applying them separately. So you'll apply one here and then move to the outer corner and the inner corner, so you can at least give them time to dry so that they won't stick together. So that's basically how you get them like separated. Just don't do them like one right next to the other and one right next to the other. Also, I don't think I'm gonna be able to show this to you guys on camera, but what I do to make them also thicker, because I know there's gonna be a point where you run out of space where you can put your lashes, is putting them under your lash. So basically just lifting up your eye and taking the lash and placing it wherever there's sparseness, and that will really give you like a full dramatic look. I can't really show you guys because I need to like look at it while I do it. I don't have a mirror behind me, so just a little quick explanation on another technique that you guys can make them look really full and thick. So A little disclaimer also is that this might damage your lashes, just like I said in the beginning, because you're not applying them the correct way. But I mean, it's up to you guys. My lashes always seem to be fine, but I do notice a little bit more sparse areas. But I mean, I really don't care, because lashes have made such a big difference in my life. Like waking up, going to sleep, like looking bomb all the time. Like that's what I like. So I really don't care if my lashes are sparse. Like, beauty hurts, I guess, you know? It does. So I'm gonna just apply a little bit more lashes, and then I'm gonna just finish my eyes, and then I'll show you guys the finished results. There we go again. Just, I'm gonna place it probably right here. Just on top of whatever there is, pretty much. And I'm just gonna keep doing that. This is really bad quality. I'm placing the or I see any type of sparseness. Shoot. Sometimes you'll get stubborn ones like that. Taking that again and just place. You guys can see. And then once I finish putting them at the top, I'm gonna go in and put them under my eyes. Oh shit, it burns really bad too, so be careful.